Did you know that if you burn used oil to heat your facility in New Hampshire, you are required to notify the New Hampshire Department of Environmental Services of this activity? Many facilities, such as auto dealerships and repair shops, auto salvage yards, municipal garages, transfer stations, and marinas, typically generate used oil. Notifying DES of your facility's used oil activity is free and easy to do, and it's the first step in making sure your facility is in compliance with New Hampshire's used oil regulations. To register your facility's used oil burning activities, go to the New Hampshire DES website and click on the A to Z list in the upper right-hand corner. Click on the letter U near the top of the page and then click on Used Oil. This will bring you to the page for the Used Oil Management Program. Under the Forms and Applications header, open the RCRA Site Identification Form. You will need to complete all sections on page 1 of the document. On page 2, complete section 9C in the lower right-hand corner of the page. At this point, print the form and sign the certification statement in section 13. Submit the form by mailing or sending electronically using the contact information found at the top of page 1. If you are not sure of which boxes to check, go back to the Used Oil page and click on the instructions under the form. If you're still unclear, contact the Used Oil Program Manager. After DES processes the notification form, a letter will be sent with a site-specific EPA identification number. DES recommends keeping this letter for your records. The form only needs to be submitted once. However, if there is a change in the information, such as site contact person, legal owner or operator, or used oil activity, a subsequent form will need to be submitted. Additional information can be found on the Used Oil Management Program page.